Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope you enjoy. My goal was to spend as little as possible on this project, so I'm limiting myself to materials I already have laying around. I ended up using mostly an old bunk bed I picked up in an auction this summer for I think $3 that you see me disassembling here, and a few scrap 2x4s. First thing I've got to do is plane down the 2x6s, which makes them all exactly the same thickness, as well as remove any previous finish they may have. Once I've got them planed down, I'm ready to move on to the next step, which is cutting them down to about 6 inches longer than what I want for my finished desk to be. And I'll rip them down to square up the edges and make sure they're all the same width. Followed by drilling for pocket hole screws and assembly of the top. This pocket hole screw method worked alright, but I definitely recommend using pipe clamps and glue if you have them available. It also didn't help much the fact that my table saw isn't exactly square from being beat up on job sites. This part took a while, so let's speed it up. Here I am cutting the top down to size. Next I'm ready to construct the frame for the legs, which will be made of 2x4s. This keyboard drawer I just stole off another desk. And here's the finished product after I got my computer all set up. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe.